Going to record. Okay. So, nabasa na natin yung problem, ano? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung NOG muna yung isosolve natin. Space ba dito? Pwede rin. Siguro kaya naman. Hindi naman ganun kahaba. Ano? Subukan natin. Pag hindi, pag magulo, lipat tayo sa ano. So, ang formula lang naman ng NOG, number of transfer units. Ito muna yung natin yung letter B. Ano? This is simply Y1 minus Y2 divided by Y minus Y sub I ln. No? Let's draw the system. Ito yung Y1. Ito yung Y2. Yung Y1 yung mas mataas. Concert na naman. So, sabi sa problem, yung original concentration ng gas is 0.03. Ito yung Y1. Tapos, this is reduced to 1% of this value. So, multiply nyo lamang yung 0.03, that would be Y2. Ng 1%. Ano? So, 0.01 times 0.03, ilang zero na yun? So, 4. Tatlo, ano? Diba? So, 0.1234. Do you agree? That's Y2. So, all you need to do right now, ayan, meron na kayong Y1 minus Y2. Ano? All you need to do is to find Y2 prime at saka Y1 prime. So, sabi sa problem, crush yung solvent. Ibig sabihin, saan ba yun? Wala siyang H2S. Yan. The solvent enters the tower free of H2S. No? The word free. So, ibig sabihin no, ng consequence nun, yung X2 natin ay 0. So, pag ginamitan nyo nito, Y is equals to 2X. Anyway, kahit ano pang formula natin dyan, ang consequence niyan, yung Y2 prime natin, okay lang? Yung Y2 prime natin, anong value ng Y2 prime natin? Sige nga, Miss Paula Borlongan. What's the value of Y2 prime? Kung ang X2 ay 0, kasi sabi sa problem, fresh siya, fresh solvent. Anong value ng Y2 prime? Miss Paula Borlongan. Siyempre, wala ata si Paula. Yun, walang mic. Yep, very good. 0 din. No, may question mark. Dapat exclamation point. Dapat sigurado kayo dyan. Di ba napag-aralan na naman natin last time yan? So pag yung ano nyo, pag yung pumapasok na solvent, 0, automatically yung Y2 prime or yung YI, no, yung Y2I is 0. Di ba? Kasi you're going to multiply 2 times 0, that would be 0. Tapos yung dito, yung Y1 natin, this is, sorry, X1. X1 is given to be, where's X1? Ito. No? The salt and leaves containing 0.013. So 0.013 yung X1. So in order to calculate Y1I, no, 1I naman gamitin natin. Maiba naman. So pwedeng prime, pwedeng I, ano, basta pare-parehas lang kung magkaiba. So what is the value of Y1I? How do you get this? How do you calculate this? Kissy May, how do you calculate Y1I? Tingnan, Kissy. How do you calculate Y1I? What's the value of Y1I? If X1 is equal to 0.013, given yun sa problem, how do you calculate Y1I? Kasi di ba gagamitin mo to? Yung equilibrium equation. So what's the value? 0.0. Jo Marie Biliano. What's the value of Y1I? 0.013 times 2. That's 0.013 times 2, Jo Marie. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Ha? Okay, very good, Jo Marie. 0.026. Pag, halimbawa, nagtatanong ako, tapos wala kayong reply, pwede ko ba kayong absenan? Kasi ibig sabihin, nakabukas lang kayo, hindi naman kayo nakikinig, wala kayong monitor. .026. Okay? So, imagine nyo, ano? So, ito, yung kapartner nitong Y2 prime, 0. Yung kapartner ng Y1, 0.03. Ang kapartner niya, Y1i, ay 0.026. So, ang gagawin natin, kakalculate natin yung delta Y2. So, yung delta Y2, i-minus nyo lamang itong Y2 minus Y2 prime or Y2i. So, 0.003 minus 0. So, delta Y2 is 0.0003. No? Or 3 times 10 to the minus 4. Parang mas mabilis pa sa Latin. No? Tapos yung delta Y1 naman, ito. No? 0.03 minus 0.026. What's that? 0.004. Tama ba? Pangatlo, ano? So, what's the value of NOG? We just substitute everything do sa equation natin. Ano? So, that would be, ano yung Y1 natin? Y1 natin is 0.03 NOG. Can you follow? Y1, this one, Y1, 0.03 minus Y2. Y2 is 0.0003. Tatlong 0. Divided by Y. Sorry. First, I need to calculate Y minus Y sub ILN pala. Ano? Before proceeding to the NOG equation. So, Y minus Y sub I ln is equals to delta Y1 minus delta Y2 divided by ln delta Y1 divided by delta Y2. No? Ito na lang. Just substitute everything. So delta Y1 is 0.004. Medyo magulo na, no? Minus 0.002. Ang advantage kasi nito, nakikita niyo yung given pag dito nag-solve. Ano? Ang problema, yun medyo gumugulo nga lang talaga siya. Unlike pag malaki talaga yung board, nakita niyo yung problem ng malinaw, tapos kita niyo yung solution ng maayos. Hagip ko yung ano. Sige nga, try to calculate y minus y sub ILN. So that I can see na ano, na naintindihan nyo yung ginagawa natin. Diba delta y2, pwede nyo pagpalit-palitin yung delta y1 at actually, eksakto naman pala. Yeah, do you agree with Paolo? Actually, average lang yan, ano, nung dalawa. So, mga approximately 0.002. And I'm getting 1.43 times 10 to the minus 3. Ano ba? Yep. 1.43 times 10 to the minus 3. Ano? Very good. Very good, Nikki. Very good, Jericho. Very good, Gio. Tama naman. Tama si Evelyn. Tama naman si Emmanuel, si John Rex. Parang sobra ng 0 yung Jericho. Pag 1.43 times 10 to the minus 3, dalawa lang ang 0. Hindi nga pa ulit. Okay? Oo. So, sobrang ba ng 0? Oo, naduling ako, Nikki. Dalawa lang ang 0 pag ano. Pag times 10 to the minus 43. Ano? So, 1.43 times 10 to the minus 3. Yun na lang, pwede nyo naman gamitin yan para less prone sa error. Kung ayaw nyo nang mag-ano, ito na lang gamitin nyo. No? So basically, i-divide nyo lamang to, itong NOG natin, 0.03 minus 0.003 divided by 1.43 times 10 to the minus 3. Nasusundan na? Basically, ginagawa lang naman natin yung dalawang equation. Ano, we have two equations. The NOG equation and the y minus y sub I equation. Dali lang naman yun. So, ang isipin nyo, madali lang. Tapos meron lang talaga tayong barrier because of kasi online siya. No? So, yun lang siguro yung ilagay nyo. So, sa isip nyo para hindi kayo magpanic. Yan, you're supposed to get ilan nakukuha ang na NOG. Anyone? Hindi na naman, Paulo. Yep, that's correct. John Rex. Star SPS, that's correct. Everlyn, that's correct. Nikki, that's correct. Ano? Mga 20.8. Ay na, very good. No? Mga 20.8 ang NOG natin. So approximately, kasi number naman yan. So mga ano to, mga 21. Ano? Mga 21 transfer units. So do you have any question regarding the calculation of NOG? Dali lang naman, di ba? Tapos, I'm going to clear this up ha. I'm going to clear this up. Kasi ang gulo-gulo na. You don't have any question. Next is, we're going to solve HOG. Ano bang formula ng HOG? Diba, we are able to derive HOG is equals to B prime divided by KGA, capital ba yung G? Capital GA, KGA times S. S is the cross-sectional area. So, in most of the problem, hindi actually given yung diameter. No, kayo pa yung magsosolve niyan later. So what we have here is meron tayong KGA value. Ito yung KGA natin, 0.04 kilomole per second per cubic meter. Tapos, what we have, the flow of inert gas is in mass velocity. Tandaan nyo pa to, mass velocity. Kilomole per second per meter squared. Parang natakal na natin ng konti yung mass velocity sa mass transfer. Hindi nga lang ganun kadetalye kasi dalawang portion pinagsama. Ano? Yung mass velocity is basically this one, V prime divided by S. Yung molar flow rate divided by the area, ang tawag dyan is mass velocity. No, G yung symbol niya. This is the mass velocity. And then this is equals to G is equals to B prime divided by S. No? Ganun lang yun. So later, sa susunod, sa next meeting natin, next meeting natin, pag meron given na mass velocity, kamukha nito, itong 0.015 kilomoles per second per meter squared. Tapos given din yung molar flow rate, yung B prime given, you can calculate S. That's the cross-sectional area. So kung pag na-calculate niyo yung cross-sectional area, you can easily calculate the diameter of the tower. Kasi di ba pi over 4d squared. Ganun lang yon. That's how to design the gas absorption tower diameter. No, that mass velocity lang. So in this particular problem, let's calculate hug. So wala tayong given na B prime, wala rin tayong given na S, pero meron tayo ay ito, yung G. This is G. So basically, another equation for hug is G divided by KGA. Yun yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So i-divide lang natin to, saan yung ating ito no? Verse it. Yung flow rate. Oh, this is the flow rate of the inert gas. Remember, B prime yun, so inert gas yan. Parang G prime yan, So 0.015 kilomole per second per meter squared. Tapos divide natin ng ito, ng KGA, 0.04 kilomole per second per cubic meter. Magka-cancel to, kakancel yon, no? Kakancel to, meter squared. Meter na lang yung matitira. So this is the height. This is the height of the, diba? This is the height of the height of each transfer unit? Answers? Yep, 0.375 meters. Very good, Gio. Very good, Emmanuel. Very good, Angela and Emmanuel. Very good, Miss Adviento. 0.375 meters. Okay? So, ang question kasi, no, sa letter A ay total height. So, that's say. Ang formula ng say ay hagnag. Cute sounding name. No? Yung kakalimutan niya na, yung hagnag. Parang baboy na niyakap. No? Na cute. Nag. Anyway, basta you make your own you make your own mnemonics, no? Hagnog-nog. Anyway, basta tatandaan niyo yan, ha. Tapos yung yung formula ng hag, 'di ba? G divided by KGA, tapos yung formula ng nog, y1 minus y2 divided by y minus yi sub ln, ano? Substitute niyo lang. Z is equals to, this is 0.375 meters. Tapos, di ba kanina na-calculate natin yung nag is 20.79. 20.8, ano? Try niyo lang yung dalawa. So, the total height is mga 7.8 meters. Ano? Get that? 7.8 meters? Yes, very good, QC. Very good, Vicky. I think that's also correct. Aina, depende kasi ginamit na ginamit na. Pag ginamit yung NOG 21, probably, Aina, ang ginamit mong 21? No? Pwede rin yun, ano? Basta, it's around 7.
21 po.
So, this is approximately 7.8 meters. Or 7.9. So, do you have any question? Very good, Emmanuel. Very good, Christiana Adviento. Everlyn, very good. Very good, Gio. Very good, Angela. Very good, Jericho. Okay, so do you have any question regarding pack columns? Calculation ng total height. So probably next meeting, magso-solve tayo ng diameter, pati magso-solve tayo ng weight ng packing material. Ano? Probably Monday. So sa ngayon hanggang height muna tayo. Tapos probably we'll have our midterm on Saturday. No, Saturday next week. Kasi kung nabalitaan nyo, parang magkakaroon ng break. Kala ko yun na yung break ng first. So may break ulit, no? After the midterm. Okay, so we'll have our midterm on Saturday. May dalawang meetings pa tayo. Probably matatapos naman natin yung last absorption. Do you have any question? Do you have any clarification? So if you don't have any question or clarification, ito yung sagot, you can confirm the answer. So ito yung nog 21. Tama naman 20.8. Ito yung solution kay Colson, kung may Colson kayo. Ito yung Z, 7.8 meters. Okay? So I want you to do this, to solve this. So we wish to scrub acetone from airstream containing 0.020 mole fraction acetone. So ito na yung gagamitin yung ito na yung gagamitin yung Y1, itong 0.020. Kasi baka kasi i-convert nyo pa sa mole per inert. Wag na. Yan na yun, Y1 na, diretso na yan. Kasi multiple choice siya, baka hindi nyo makuha yung correct answer. So the following data may be used. Gas rate is 700 cubic feet per hour per square foot cross section at standard condition. So pag sinabing standard condition, ano yung standard condition? Ano yung standard temperature? 0 o 25? 25 is standard ambient temperature. Pero pag sinabing standard temperature, 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius yan. So anyway, It means to say, pag sinabing standard condition, you can use 349 kasi cubic feet siya, di ba? Tandaan niyo pa yung 349 na constant. Tandaan niyo pa to. 349. Di ba yung 349 is cubic feet per pound mole? Kasi kailangan niyo itong i-convert sa pound mole. Tama nga ba 349 o 359? Hindi lang ha. Bigla ako nagka. Oh, sorry, it's 359. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Buti na lang. Self-doubt ako. It's 359. Hindi ako makapagturo ng mali. Nalilito kasi ako dito. Naiisip ko yung sa Pepsi dati. 349. 359. Sorry for that. That's 359 cubic feet per pound. Sorry for that. Ha? This is at standard condition. Ano, 359. And water rate is 1,000 pound per hour per feet square. Madali lang naman yung water. So in order to convert that to kilogram pound mole, just simply divide it by 18. Ha? So palaging ang standard natin, sa board exam, palaging gagamitin nyo pag water 18. Pag naman air, 29. So yun palagi. Si Sir Mijares, ganyan siya. 18 at saka 29. So KGA is 1.75 pound mole per cubic feet per hour. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na tama to, absolutely tama yan. Siyempre, mas accurate yung 18.02. Sinasabi ko lang is si Sir Mijares, 18 at saka 29 yung ginagamit niya sa board exam. So KGA is 1.75 pound mole per cubic feet per hour, mole fraction difference. Henry's law is valid and Y sub B is 1.75 XE. Y is the acetone vapor in equilibrium with the mole fraction of acetone XE in the liquid. So if we use counter current pack scrubber design so that the exit gas does not exceed 0.0002 mole fraction acetone, kita nyo, this is just 1% of 0.02. So ito yung gagamitin yung Y2. Okay, so all you need to do is calculate Y. Medyo mas mahirap to kasi you need to calculate Y1. Hindi ka mukha nung last problem natin, di ba? X1 pala. Hindi ka mukha nung given kasi yung X1. So the first question is, what is the number of overall gas phase transfer units? This is NOG. And then number 2, what is the height of one transfer unit? This is HOG. This is HAG. Number 3, what is the total height of the tower? So this is Z. Kaya? So, yun. Try to solve this problem. Get some bond paper and pencil and try to solve this problem. Awesome. 11:50. 11:50. Mahirap pa naman. Hanggang 1 pa naman tayo, no? So try to solve this problem. Questions? So pag may question, i-chat nyo na lang ako. Ito na, gamitin nyo na ito, ha? Pinaghalo niya yung gin Coplis at saka pinaghalo ni Sir Mijares ang gin Coplis at saka Colson. Ito, 1% Colson yan. This is an old board question. Ano? Ganyan. Ganyan tawag dyan mga situational problem. Isang problem, tatlong multiple choice. So, sa board exam, di naman kayo magsosolve ng 100 problems. Ano? Usually, meron pa kasing mga objective type eh. Hindi calculation. So, usually for 60%. So, mga 20 problems yung isa-solve mo. Ganun daw yun. 20 na unit ops. Second day. Okay, docs. solve nyo muna and then ask questions sa chat kung meron. Hello. This Zoom meeting will end in 3 minutes. So, yun na lang muna for today, So, see you again on Monday. So, have a nice weekend. Bye-bye. Okay, solve nyo na lang yung problem. Alright.